So for the W press, you can do this sitting or standing. You're going to bring the elbow through to start. So with the palm facing forward, shoulder around 90 degrees here. You're going to come forward. Then you're going to press up. This is a burner. This is really tricky, really difficult. You will need to use a really light band. And when you're pressing up, make sure you are ending up here. You are not trying to go straight overhead. So the movement is elbow through, pressing up. This is one you may want to start with no band at all. That's fine. But you'll be able to progress into the band.